Okay, everyone. Thank you for attending our meeting. The purpose of today's meeting is to discuss sales and get customer attention. As many of you recognize, staff morale is at an all-time low. Now, due to the drop in sales this part quarter, I'm looking for suggestion on how we can improve it. Mr. Rabara?
Across the board pay raises.
All right. I'm looking for suggestion that don't cost too much money. Sure, raises would work, but I can hardly justify it, given our recent sales performance.
Yes, it bed.
Perhaps we could publicly commend employees who are doing a good job.
We could select an employee of the month.
I think it's good idea, but we've got to give him on her more than a pat of on the back.
That's a very good idea. We could publicly comment employees who are doing a good job. We could select, say, an employee of the month and give money 5,000 pesos. Okay, move on to the next subject. Miss Lakangan, do you have any comment on this?
Yes, I think we should make a video of the product and upload it on social media.
Okay, good idea. Mr. Kapilyan, what do you think about this?
Sure, set up a booth in a department store and give any product.
Activity. I am not sure about that because it will make us waste our budget and think what I get is not worth it.
Okay, any other comment?
No.
The conclusion of today's meeting, first of all, is the way we have small 5,000 pesos reward for the moral of all-time low of problem employees. No doubt, drop in sales in the last quarter. And finally, we should make a video of that product and upload it on social media to get customers interested in our product.
Okay, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, dismissed. Thank you for today, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.